Welcome to Outlaw Woodworking. Today we're going to review the Neiko stainless steel digital caliper. And this thing, it's 12 inches long. And the one I had before, I had the smaller one. And the biggest it would go was, I think 6 inches. Yeah, 6 inches. And it works really well. It's just a cheap little plastic one with a digital control on it. But I needed something. I make a lot of these cutting boards, and these cutting boards are about 12 inches across. And I do a lot of work on my CNC machine. And so when I'm doing my drawings, the first thing I would do is I would measure the actual material. And it has to be perfect. And a lot of times you can get pretty close, but you're not perfect. So I decided to invest in this stainless steel caliper. And this is a digital caliper just like my old one. The only difference is it's stainless steel and it's 12 inches long. So I'll be able to, and this is made by Neiko. And let's zero it out. So this is going to be perfect for doing this type of stuff. 98.375. 11.4365. So this is exactly what I was looking for, because what I wanted to do, if you do any kind of work on a CNC machine, the material, the accuracy of your material before you put it in there from the drawing is critical. And so this will allow me to do a lot more precise dimensions. Like if you look at this juice cutter here, you know, it's only a ½ inch away from the side. Actually, it's probably a little even closer than that. It's like 3/8 from this side. But I don't want it to get any closer than that. And the better your measurements are, the better your work will turn out. Anyway, for the price, these were $59 on Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description. They're nice and solid. They're solid stainless steel. It says hardened too, and they just feel good in your hand. So, and it also has a little wheel right here. Anyway, I'd have to give it a thumbs up for the price, and it'll really make my life a lot easier. If you're interested in any of the products that you see, I'll leave a link for this caliper in the description down below. And if you're interested in any of our stuff that we make, I'll leave a link right here for our store. Our store is located at outlawwoodworking.bigcartel.com. And it's just a little store, but I like to make stuff, so I needed an outlet to be able to sell it. And you can only give so many of them away. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe, like the video, and I will see you next time. Later.